Santa Maria College was founded in 1904. It was established by the Sisters of the Good Samaritan, and the Good Samaritans were the first Australian order of nuns, and of course they were established for the education of girls. We have 920 students from years 7 to 12. We would say that our values were to nurture young girls who are articulate, independent, well-informed, so that they could make independent decisions and be energised to make a difference in the world.
There is a global and certainly Australian downturn in the number of science students, especially in the physical sciences and especially amongst girls.
So if we can let them see that physics is exciting and relevant, then maybe they'll make different decisions and society will have access to those talents that would otherwise not be available to the scientific community.
Growing Tall Poppies is a link with the Melbourne University Centre for Excellence. They've worked this time with students at La Trobe University, where they were looking at X-ray technology.
The Growing Tall Poppies program allows students like me who are in Year 10 from many schools around Australia to participate in an authentic science experience at certain universities.
We went out to the La Trobe University, and there we were given a brief, and we had to work this brief out and just find out as much as we could.
The experiments involved working with a million-year-old amber, which contained a fossilised ant, and we come up with the questions, the answers and our own presentation at the end of the week.
The scientists are there as mentors. They're not there as instructors. They're there to mentor the students actually asking the questions.
What we decided to do was compare this ant to one that was a garden ant to see if there were any similarities or any differences. So what we did was we used the CT scanning, X-ray and tomography to show us a 3D image of these two ants. It was really a great experience working with equipment that scientists use, and it was something that I hadn't done before.
The benefit that we want to see out of this program is to excite students into the sciences so that they can see how important they are to the global community that they belong to.
You can really see that when the girls discover what it's like to do science and the fact that it's actually a fun thing to do, the excitement is just there for you to see.
The inquiry method that they learn in science they can also transfer, and it's portable to the other subjects that they learn. So really it's their rounded education that they're getting.
Growing Tall Poppies allowed us girls to realise the importance of science in the community, and it allows us to realise that there is a lot of science jobs and opportunities outside that we never knew before.
And show us what scientists do in everyday life and kind of get rid of that stigma that, that scientists hold, that they might be boring or not fun.
And ultimately, growing these tall poppies is about creating a group of people that will be solving those really big, important issues that they will be faced with as they become adults.